Turn on the device and it will broadcast the prompt tone. The indicator will turn green. Turn the switch key to off to close the device. Connect the device to your computer by using a USB-C cable. When the connection is succeeded, the status LED light turns green to indicate you. Plug the USB dongle into the computer. The device will be connected automatically when it is turned on. The status LED light of the device and USB dongle will show steady blue. Bluetooth pairing mode. The status indicator turns blue and flashes. Turn on the Bluetooth setting on your mobile device. Select the device from the available devices list. When it is connected successfully, the device status indicator turns steady blue. Short press the multifunction button of the device to play or pause music. Short press the plus or minus button of the device to increase or decrease the volume. Long press the device volume plus button, the music will skip to the next song. Long press the device volume minus key to jump to the previous song.
EMEET.
Short press to answer the call. When you use the headset to answer calls, it will automatically play the call. Short press to hang up the call.
EMEET.
Long press for 3 seconds to reject calls. Double-click the multifunction button of the device to call back. The blue light indicates the device is working. Rotate the stick to mute or unmute the microphone. Press this button to mute the device. Unmute it by pressing this button again. Using the USB-C cable to connect the device. Click on the device picture to enter the setting interface. In this interface, you can customize the settings according to your needs.